Have you ever walked along a street or went along with a plan? The word along shows movement or being with others. It's a small word but very useful. Along means moving in a line or direction or being with someone. It can also mean together or with someone. A common mistake is to confuse along with alone. Along means moving with or beside, while alone means by yourself. Common patterns include, walk along the road, go along with a friend, and come along to the event. These show movement or agreement. She walked along the beach. He came along with us to the movie. The river flows along the valley. Let's go along with the plan. Tom felt nervous, but his friend said, "Come along with me." Together, they walked along the path to discover new things and have fun. Think of the word along like a line of ants walking side by side. They move forward together, just like when you go along with someone. Now you know along means moving in a line or going with someone. Try to use it today and comment your sentence below.